dancing in puddles as the skies start to cry. She finds a tiny fur ball with a gleam in its eye. With a giggle she scoops it up from the cold. An adventure begins, just waiting to unfold. In her raincoat pockets they both hide away, a kitten and a girl on a bright rainy day. She whispers little secrets only they can hear.